Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given this graph of a circle in the xy plane. We're told that the circle has center hk and radius 10. We're asked, given this information, what is the value of k? So the first thing we notice is that in terms of the x direction, the center is going to be halfway between the two x-intercepts, right? It doesn't matter where on the circle or where on the y-axis, right, up or down, the circle is, right? The center of the circle is going to be halfway in between the two x-intercepts, right? And if there's just one x-intercept, it's going to be directly above or below the circle, the center of the circle. So what is halfway between these 2 points? Well, it's going to be 4 plus 20 divided by 2, right? That's how you find the midpoint between two values. 4 plus 20 is 24, divided by 2 is 12. So we know that, or we're going to write our answer up here, the center is 12k. Now what is k? Well, if we know that the radius is 10, then this line segment right here between 40 and 12k has a length of 10. So we can use the distance formula, which says the difference in x values plus the difference in y values squared, and then taking the square root of the whole thing is the distance between them. So the distance is 10 because it's the length, it's the radius, whatever. And then the two x values are going to be 12 and 4. So we have 12 minus 4 squared plus the difference in y values. We have k and 0. So k minus 0 squared. It doesn't matter if you did 4 minus 12 because 12 minus 4 squared is the same as 4 minus 12 squared. 12 minus 4 is 8 squared, so that's 64. And if you did the other way, it would be negative 8 squared, which is also just 64. Plus k minus 0 squared is plus k squared. And if we want to square both sides, 10 squared is 100. And this is equal to this value, taking the square root of it and then the square of it. These just cancel out, and it's just 64 plus k squared. Subtracting 64 from both sides, we get these cancel. 100 minus 64 is 36, is equal to k squared. Writing this up here. Taking the square root of both sides, the square root of k is just k. Could also be negative k, but we're not dealing with negative values here. We're only looking at the positive values. Square root of 36 is 6, right? It couldn't be negative 6 because that would be way over here on the other side of the axis. K is 6, which means our point is 12, 6. And we're not actually asked the point, we're asked the value of k, so 6 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.